Are you ready to unlock the true potential of your WordPress website using the power of AI in 2025? In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to strategically enhance your site with the latest AI tools and plugins, allowing you to create smarter content, rank higher in Google, improve speed and security, and deliver an amazing user experience. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use AI to make managing your site easier and more effective than ever. Let's jump right into the key areas where AI can make a real difference. First up is content creation. This is one of the most noticeable upgrades AI brings to WordPress. If you've ever stared at a blank text editor, struggling with writer's block, or spent hours trying to craft the perfect headline, AI can step in as your digital writing assistant. Tools like Divi AI and Elementor AI can generate entire blog posts, snappy product descriptions, and engaging headlines, all from simple text prompts. They can even create matching images to illustrate your content. Imagine having the ability to publish consistent, high-quality posts twice as fast, giving you more time to focus on strategy and connection. Don't worry if it feels a bit futuristic. AI writing helpers are designed to work with your own voice and style, so you stay in control. Next, let's talk about SEO optimization. Ranking in search results is key to driving traffic, and AI-powered SEO plugins are game changers here. For example, Rank Math Content AI scans the top competing pages and gives you actionable suggestions, like which keywords to focus on, what headings you should use, and exactly how much content to write. Tools like AIO SEO help you craft the perfect meta descriptions and titles using ChatGPT technology, and will even point out internal linking opportunities you might have missed. Think of these plugins as your very own SEO consultants working behind the scenes, making sure your great content is discoverable. WordLift goes a step further by automatically adding schema markup and building a knowledge graph, so search engines really understand what your site is about. These details matter because even small tweaks can bump your rankings and get your site in front of more eyes. User experience is another spot where AI shines. With personalized chatbots like Tidio's Lero, you can offer 24/7 support that answers up to 70% of common customer questions automatically. It's like having an extra member on your team who never sleeps. Plus, Formidable Forms uses AI to suggest help articles right as users are typing their questions, potentially solving issues instantly before a support ticket lands in your inbox. If you run an online shop or a membership site, AI can analyze visitor behavior and recommend products or content, making each person's experience more relevant and paving the way for higher engagement and more conversions. Don't forget about security and speed. AI-driven tools now monitor your WordPress site for suspicious activity, proactively detecting malware before it becomes a problem. Some plugins automatically optimize images and tweak caching settings, keeping your website loading fast because nobody likes waiting. Remember, a speedy site isn't just better for visitors, it's favored by search engines too. Now, before you start plugging in every AI tool under the sun, here are some best practices to keep you on track. First, always maintain human oversight. AI can cook up impressive content and code, but nothing beats your eye for detail and your understanding of your brand's voice. Make it a habit to review and tweak any AI-generated work before it goes live. Next, start small. Identify your biggest pain points, maybe it's slow customer response times or lackluster SEO. Integrate 1 or 2 AI helpers and measure the results. Once you see a positive impact, you can expand at your own pace. Also, prioritize quality by showing visitors you're an expert. Include detailed author bios, cite trustworthy sources, and add schema markup for that EEAT experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness boost. Finally, keep an eye on performance, using monitoring tools to make sure all these new features aren't slowing down your site. That's it, you're now set up to improve your WordPress website with cutting-edge AI tools in 2025. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment if you have any questions or want more tips, and subscribe to my channel for regular deep dives into WordPress and AI. Thanks for watching and good luck supercharging your site.